So for this question, we need to solve sin²x is equal to tan²x, where x is between 0 and 180 degrees. Well, first things first, what do we know? Well, we know that if we have tan²x, we know that tan²x is the same as sin²x over cosine²x, okay? Now we can times both sides by cosine²x, so you end up with sin²x cosine²x is equal to sin²x. Now we can bring that sin²x to the other side, so we have sin²x cosine²x minus sin²x is equal to 0. Now we can factorize. If we factorize, we'll get a sin²x, then in brackets, cosine²x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this means that either sin²x is equal to 0 or cosine²x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we start with the sin²x equal to 0 first, that means that sine x is equal to 0. And if you were to look at a sine graph, then we would know that x is 0 and 180 degrees. So now let's look at cosine²x minus 1. Well, if we bring that minus 1 to the other side, then we get cosine²x equal to 1. If we square root both sides, we get cosine x is equal to plus or minus 1. Remember, we're square rooting. That can also give us a negative. So we get cosine x is equal to plus or minus 1. So if we look at the cosine graph, well, we can see that when we have y at 1, x is 0. So we have that x is also going to be 0. And when we look at when is y going to be minus 1, well, x would be 180. So actually, we get the exact same for both. We know that, therefore, x is going to be 0 and 180 degrees.